Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the charts. You're tuned into the Crypto Flight Edition. It is your fellow passenger stopping in with just a little bit more technical details in the Dogecoin cryptocurrency. I actually want to go over something with you all just to let you know in terms of what I'm seeing here in the charts. This information will likely sit well with the bulls, so we're going to get into that right here. And if you guys are just stopping in, welcome, and consider hitting the subscribe button as we go along on the content here. If you find valuable information or just you want to hang out with us, that's pretty cool. Go ahead and hit the subscribe. Leave a comment and an appropriate thumb. The YouTube algorithm is promoting the channel very aggressively right now, honestly. Also, from a very kind gentleman who has mentioned us recently, Nick Balls. You go ahead and leave that down in the comment section if you guys know who he is. Very kind gentleman to mention us. Very appreciative of that. Thank you kindly there. Let's go ahead and get into details. Let's see where we are with the Dogecoin cryptocurrency, and let's dive into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's February the 10th, 2021, and the current price of Dogecoin is going to be 7.2 cents. All right, little pause there. It's up approximately 3.8% for the day. Okay, so I remember mentioning on our previous video that we were actually going to pull up the bearish pattern that I discovered. Let's just go ahead and reveal what we've been following here for those of you just stopped in. That's it, really simple pattern. The news that I wanted to give to the bulls, I just want to let you guys know that the path is clear. There's a specific way that I look at candlesticks to suggest whether or not the price is mature enough to advance to the higher levels. And I'll just go ahead and put a line somewhere right about there. And that would be, oh, it's an interesting color. I want to let you all know that the path is clear. Now, this doesn't mean that Dogecoin is actually going to fly to the upside right now. No, that's not what it means. It means even if Dogecoin were to actually retrace from here, which I'm not sure if it's going to happen or not, honestly, guys. But if it were to retrace from here, that wouldn't be out of the ordinary, okay? It's just simply seeking financial support. There's only two levels. Well, let's see if I put a horizontal line here. I don't like so many lines. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Erase that. The line that I just put that I'm going to erase off the chart is going to be 7.9 cents. Okay, if you guys take notes, so just go ahead and write that level down. That is the clearance level. It's already clear to go through that level, okay? And potentially even as high as, let's see, 8.8 cents. So that's all clear. Let me see. I'll just do a really quick measurement from the current level all the way up there. So you're talking about 21% to the upside. This Dogecoin cryptocurrency is actually clear. I know some are like really confused, like what are you talking about? It's just a very unique way that I understand candlesticks to understand whether or not the path is clear to the upside. Just keep that in mind. And of course, I have to give you some sort of potential that the price would retrace from here. If it's going to retrace, I mean, there's a lot of buying interest in Dogecoin right now. I don't really see any imminent sign of a substantial retracement. I mean, I could be wrong about that, guys. Remember, I'm just a speculator. I look at technical data only. You guys hopefully are taking a look at the fundamentals. You guys kind of keep up to speed with that as I continue to look at the technicals for you all to the best of my ability. So as we mentioned on the previous video, I think we pointed out one level as a potential back test of support, and that line is going to be right there at about 5.5 cents. Does it still have the potential to get down to that level? I'm going to say yes, as long as it's below our little box here. You see it's still below that 7.3 cents is the level that we discussed on the last video. As long as it's below 7.3 cents and we are still patiently waiting for that buyer's commitment to step into the market. Total transparency, guys, I'm still not invested in Doge. I'm just a guy who's taking a look at the technicals for you all. That's the only thing that we would be waiting to see, that buyer's commitment to step into the market. For those of you new here, hopefully I'll just leave a link so you can check the video out in terms of what we're talking about. The buyer's commitment just needs to break out of this consolidation range that it's been consolidating within. I guess we could take a really quick measurement. I'll do the path here. Here's where the price kind of entered this area of consolidation, where I'm going to speculatively say it's within. It's still currently within. So let's go ahead and measure how much time it's been consolidating here. We'll do January the 28th all the way over to, let's see, February the 10th, 2021. Our original prediction was at like February the 22nd, which is over here. Could it extend over to that time, February the 22nd? I'd say it's possible. I mean, I'm patient. I don't know if you guys are patient, but as long as, let's cut this out. This video is getting pretty long. Again, as long as the the cryptocurrency is below 7.3 cents, it's likely it's just trying to find financial support and come down and potentially find support at the financial support that it's seeking down at the 5.5 cent level. At this kind of, I know I've pretty much said that a few times, but just be prepared, you all, if there is a retracement here in the market. Let's go to do a really quick measurement. This chart is getting messy. Let's do a really quick measurement down to that level, just in case that's coming in the market here at some point in the short term. I don't think this will take long. So you're looking at 24% to the downside. I just want everyone to keep a level head. If you see this currency all the way down to the, the 5.5 cent level, just understand what's going on, okay? Dogecoin is trying to find financial support at the previous level of resistance. It's super simple. It's super simple, okay? So hopefully this was useful information that you all could have be fully prepared for. If you guys wrote down the levels, the previous level of resistance, we've gone over that. The clearance level, we've gone over that. The previous level of resistance there, and the clearance level, we've gone over that. So rewind it back, guys. Remember, we don't have any Weibo links or anything like that. We just rely on you guys listening to the videos and, of course, viewing them all the way to the end. So we'd appreciate you to do that. And let's go ahead and cut it out here. I don't want to take up too much of your time. So where do I see the price of Dogecoin going? That's the one level to set it free. We've already gone over it. 7.3 cents. If you see some sort of buyer commitment step into the market and it blasts off above $7.3 cents, and it goes up through the level we've already discussed, the clearance level, then yeah, it's likely that the buyer's commitment, they're stepping into the market, assuming that they're going to hold their cryptocurrency and continue to push it up to the next range, or level rather, and consolidate at another range. Okay, so that's pretty much all I got for you guys. Hopefully this was of some useful information. We'd have to just revisit the charts if there is a retracement in the market here, but so far it appears that the buyers are stepping into the market. There's only one level actually to set this price to get it above this consolidation range, and we've gone over that a few times. So I feel like I'm repeating myself. Let's cut it out here, guys. Thank you for your time. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there if you enjoyed the content, and of course leave a comment down below. Let me know, have all of my Doge family, if you guys are still getting bullish on Doge, you guys are loading the boat, or if you're just or you're actually adding to your position, as the price, or the currency rather, if it retraces, right? I mean, I know a lot of you are actually have invested in Dogecoin when it was down at the 1 penny or below the sub penny levels, okay? And you guys are just kind of adding to your position if it retraces in the market. That's actually a pretty smart thing to do, I think. Not financial advice, guys. I'm not your financial advisor, okay? Yeah, so I can't give you financial advice. We didn't go over the bearish pattern. I don't want to go over any bearish patterns just yet. Let's let the price action mature. We'll revisit the charts if there's a retracement, and then, of course, we'll just kind of outline that pattern that I found. Thank you for your time, guys. Take care of yourselves. Protect your portfolio. Execute your strategy. We're going to talk very soon, and bye for now.